What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got a really cool video in store for you today. It is a dually day. Not as many of those coming around as they used to be, but today we've got a 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali, and we're going to be doing the 5-inch Cognito lift kit on it. It's going to be a really cool lift. It's the Performance Series. It has the Fox reservoir shocks in it. And we're also doing some 24-inch JTX Forged Psycho wheels in the polished finish. It's going to match up perfectly with the truck. Has all the trim package on it, the chrome trim on it, so it's a really it's going to be a perfect match. We have 37, 1350, 24 Nitto ridge grapplers going on this truck, so I know it's going to ride good. Very excited about this. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the truck, and then we're going to get started on it. The guys are in the shop right now bugging me because I'm taking too long to film, so stay tuned for this one. All right, so here's our truck. Big chrome front end is going to look awesome with those polished forged wheels. That lift kit is virtually a perfect ride, so I'm not worried about that at all. This truck's going to be amazing. You're still going to be able to pull with this truck. You can take it on road trips or whatever you want to do. Tires are going to ride smooth. They're going to last a long time. They put these little bitty tires on these trucks from the factory. 235 80/17s, like a 30, maybe a 31-inch tire. I don't know. It's a very small tire. Tire and wheel does a lot for a truck like this. It looks like he's already done the, I don't know if these are recons, but he's already done the tinted lights. That's pretty cool. Does have the diesel in it for all you guys that want to know. He has brought the tires for us. We're not selling him these, but we sold him the wheels and the lift kit. So you can't go wrong with Nittos. Like I said, they're great tires. So we are about to get this one started. Stay tuned for the process. So I don't know what this means for the video, but we're in the middle of mounting up all these wheels, and somebody just noticed that this wheel's different. It's definitely still a JTX wheel, but somebody else in the country somewhere has one of our Psychos, and we have one of their, I think it's a Triad, I don't know, but that's definitely going to slow the process down a little bit because everything else is all mounted up and ready to go. Well, there's a finished truck in front of me right here. We're not completely done. We still have to do an alignment and some other things on it. But there was an issue with the wheels, and what's going on here is basically we got shipped one wrong wheel from JTX, which is not a problem. It doesn't make JTX a bad company. It's just a mistake. They shipped the wrong wheel. So if you look inside there, there's actually a different wheel design on the inside. And we're gonna have to let him run it for a couple of days until the new wheel comes in. The truck looks phenomenal though. I'm gonna throw some cinematic shots in here at the end of the video to show you. I know the customer's in a hurry, so I'm kind of getting this clip just in case he doesn't stay very long and let me get all those shots. The truck looks amazing. I want to throw a little clip into the video for you guys. There's a customer here right now from Newnan, Georgia, which is about an hour away from where we're at. He brought us it looks like a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. He was having some issues with this truck. He had got a lift kit put on in another shop. I don't know which shop it was. I don't think they really did anything incorrectly. They just probably didn't adjust the keys right on it. But he has this 4-inch Cognito on the truck, and he called me and said, this is the worst driving truck I've ever had. And I said, man, there's no way. I said, that's a great truck, a great kit, all that. You know, the shocks on it are the Fox Resis, or at least the Fox Regulars 2.0s, they are. So the truck should be driving amazing. So he came in and he said the truck was dipping real bad when he'd go around turns on one side, not the other. And turns out it was just the keys weren't adjusted correctly. So I recommended to him today that we did the suspension max key. You see my videos about these all the time. They really are this great. His truck drives amazing now. We set everything right. We have the hex or the gear inside set to the correct setting, and we also have the torsion bar bolt adjusted pretty low, so the truck still drives really soft and smooth, and it sets level. Before, he had complained that his truck sat down low in the front, and it did a little bit. That piece of ground that this truck is sitting on is not perfectly level, but the truck is level now and it looks great. I actually had the customer drive the truck before he paid his bill to see if he was happy with the drive, and he loves it. He said it's night and day different. So wanted to give him a big shout out for coming to the shop, and thanks guys for watching the videos.